MicroStrategy continues strengthening Bitcoin strategy with $1.1 billion purchase of 10,107 BTC. MicroStrategy has further strengthened its Bitcoin strategy by purchasing 10,107 BTC for $1.10 billion at an average price of $105,596 per Bitcoin. With this latest acquisition, the company's total Bitcoin holdings now stand at 471,107 BTC, valued at approximately $30.4 billion. The average cost per Bitcoin for MicroStrategy has been updated to $64,511. Since the beginning of 2025, the company has acquired a total of 24,707 BTC. Year to date, MicroStrategy, MSTR, has gained 2.9% in Bitcoin returns. The company, with approval from its shareholders, also increased the number of its Class A shares to 10.3 billion, raising the potential for additional capital. Reports suggest the company aims to raise up to $42 billion with this move. Tax liabilities and the company's future. As a result of the revaluation of its Bitcoin assets, MicroStrategy could face tax liabilities beginning in 2026. Under the Inflation Reduction Act passed in the U.S. in 2022, the company may need to pay a 15% corporate alternative minimum tax on unrealized gains. This could result in a significant tax bill, given that MicroStrategy's unrealized Bitcoin gains have reached $17 billion. The company plans to request an exemption from this regulation under the Trump administration. However, if there is no change in the regulation, MicroStrategy may have to sell some of its Bitcoin holdings. Details on this matter are expected to be discussed in the company's Q4 2025 financial results meeting on February 5. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF investments grow. In addition to MicroStrategy, BlackRock has continued to increase its Bitcoin investments. On January 22, the firm made a $600 million purchase, bringing its total Bitcoin holdings to 572,616 BTC, valued at around $1 billion. This represents 2.7% of the total Bitcoin supply. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, is seen as an indicator of growing institutional interest in Bitcoin. After a record growth in 2024, the ETF is continuing its rapid expansion into 2025. BlackRock believes Bitcoin adoption is still in its early stages and expects prices to rise over the long term. Cryptocurrency market continues downtrend. Bitcoin began the week with a decline, falling below the $100,000 mark, currently trading at $99,090. Bitcoin has lost 5.6% of its value in the past 24 hours. The market experienced $860 million in liquidations, with $260 million coming from Bitcoin transactions alone. Market experts attribute this drop to uncertainty caused by the recent developments in China's AI sector, specifically the rise of the DeepSeek initiative, as well as expectations from the upcoming Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting. Some analysts believe Bitcoin could dip below the $91,000 support level in the short term, potentially jeopardizing the continuation of the bull market. However, long-term investors remain confident in Bitcoin's potential.